Do you wonder why lifting your grandchild suddenly feels like lifting a suitcase? Or why a simple flight of stairs now leaves you breathless when it never used to? Most people assume it's just normal aging. But here's a reality most doctors won't spell out for you. The muscle loss creeping in after 60 isn't just age, it's nutrient starvation. Your body isn't broken, it's underfed at the cellular level. But there's hope, and not just theoretical hope. Groundbreaking studies now show that even after 60 or 70, you can rebuild lost strength, restore confidence in your movements, and support your independence. The key lies in 9 research-backed supplements, and this isn't about popping pills mindlessly. Each supplement here plays a precise role in reactivating the muscle-building machinery inside your body. From boosting energy-producing mitochondria to restoring nerve-to-muscle communication, these tools go far beyond general health. They're your personal defense against decline. Let's start with the most misunderstood one, because it's not just heart healthy. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, inflammation's silent enemy. Yes, omega-3s are great for your heart, but they're also your muscle's bodyguard. Here's the real deal. Inflammation isn't just about joints or soreness. It's a quiet, invisible fire that eats away at muscle tissue over time. Omega-3s, specifically EPA and DHA, extinguish that fire. They don't just reduce pain, they improve how your body responds to exercise, repair damaged muscle fibers, and even increase muscle protein synthesis in older adults. In one 6-month study, seniors taking fish oil had significantly better muscle function, even without major exercise changes. Aim for 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA combined per day. If you don't eat fish, try algae-based supplements. 2. Leucine, the anabolic trigger. Think of leucine as the ignition key for muscle growth. It doesn't build muscle by itself, but it tells your body to start building. As you age, your body becomes anabolic resistant. That means it needs a louder, stronger signal to do the same job. Leucine is that signal. It's found in eggs, dairy, soy, beans. But here's the trick. You need about 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal to trigger muscle growth. So don't just count grams of protein. Check that you're getting the right kind of protein. Meals rich in leucine can literally flip your muscle-building switch back on. 3. HMB, the muscle preserver. HMB is like leucine's powerful cousin. It doesn't just build muscle, it protects it. When you're inactive, due to injury, illness, or just less movement, muscle loss speeds up. HMB slows that loss dramatically. In multiple trials, seniors taking 3 grams of HMB daily retained more lean mass during bed rest, rehab, and even regular aging. You can find trace amounts in catfish, grapefruit, and alfalfa, but supplements are more effective. Split your dose into 1 gram 3 times daily for best results. And if you can add even light resistance training, the effect multiplies. 4. Vitamin D, more than just bones. We've all heard that vitamin D supports bones, but it's even more critical for muscle function. Your muscle cells have specific receptors for vitamin D. Without it, your muscles shrink, weaken, and take longer to react. That's why vitamin D deficiency is directly linked to poor balance, slower reflexes, and more falls in older adults. Even more exciting, new studies show that vitamin D helps activate muscle stem cells. Those are the cells that repair damaged tissue and regenerate muscle after strain. Experts recommend 800 to 2,000 IU daily for people over 60. Look for vitamin D3. It's better absorbed than D2. 5. Vitamin B12, reconnecting your nerves. If your legs sometimes feel shaky or you lose your balance randomly, even when rested, it might not be your muscles. It might be your nerves. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health, which directly affects how your muscles function. As we age, stomach acid production drops, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. Add in common meds like metformin or acid reducers. Low B12 means your nerves can't send signals to your muscles properly. That's how people end up with slow reflexes, stiffness, or mysterious fatigue. Go for sublingual B12 or nasal sprays to skip digestion. And while the RDA is 2.4 micrograms, older adults often need 50 micrograms or more to restore healthy levels. Vitamin C, the muscle architect. Vitamin C isn't just for colds, it's a cornerstone of muscle structure. Why? Because it builds collagen, the scaffolding that gives your muscles shape, support, and resilience. Vitamin C also helps produce carnitine, a compound that turns fat into usable energy for muscles. And as a powerful antioxidant, it shields your muscle fibers from free radical damage and oxidative stress. People over 60 often need higher intakes, around 200 to 400 milligrams daily. You can get it from citrus fruits, bell peppers, kiwi, or leafy greens. But if you're dealing with chronic inflammation or slow recovery, supplements help fill the gap. 7. Magnesium, your muscles reset button. Nighttime cramps, twitching, constant fatigue. If that sounds familiar, magnesium might be the missing link. This essential mineral helps muscles contract and relax properly. It also supports energy production and keeps your nerve signals firing cleanly. Magnesium is depleted by stress, age, and especially by medications like diuretics or acid blockers. Food sources include pumpkin seeds, spinach, black beans, almonds, and yes, even dark chocolate. For supplementation, magnesium glycinate is best absorbed and gentle on digestion. Women over 60 should aim for 310 to 320 milligrams daily. Men, 400 to 420 milligrams. 8. CoQ10, recharging your mitochondria. CoQ10 acts like a spark plug inside your cells, especially inside your muscle mitochondria. As you age, your CoQ10 levels naturally decline. And if you're taking statins for cholesterol, that decline becomes dramatic. The result: fatigue, slower recovery, and even unexplained muscle soreness. Supplementing with 100 to 300 milligrams of CoQ10, look for the ubiquinol form or water-soluble versions, helps your muscle cells generate more ATP, the energy currency of movement. Many users report improved stamina within weeks. 9. Creatine, strength beyond the gym. Creatine isn't just for bodybuilders. For people over 60, it can restore strength, mobility, and energy that feels long lost. It increases your muscles' ability to produce energy during short bursts, like standing from a chair or climbing stairs. It also improves muscle mass, recovery, and even cognitive function. A meta-analysis of 22 clinical trials showed older adults who took creatine while doing light resistance training gained significantly more muscle than those who exercised alone. Start with 3 to 5 grams per day. To fast-track results, try a loading phase of 20 grams daily, divided into 4 doses, for 5 to 7 days, then reduce to 3 to 5 grams for maintenance. Final thought: muscle isn't just about vanity. It's about freedom. The freedom to get off the floor without help, to open jars, to walk without fear of falling, to carry your own groceries. These 9 supplements aren't shortcuts. They're tools, proven tools, that can help your body rebuild what aging tried to take away. So speak with your doctor, check what works best for your personal health, and start one step at a time. Your strongest years might still be ahead of you. And if this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button, share it with someone over 60, and subscribe for more science-backed ways to take control of your health. Because strength isn't just measured in muscle, it's measured in how confidently you move through life.